Today we will talk about how can you enable caller ID on your Viber app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on more down here. You just click here on more. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on calls and messages here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Just click here on caller ID. Just click on it. Click here on turn on now. Just click on it. Click here on grant permissions here. So then just switching to open with you here. And here can you looking for Viber app. I'm going to add it here to enable it. So then here it's going to enable with you here caller ID on your Viber app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.